Hello everyone and welcome to this video. Today I will show you how to use Flair AI. So guys, this is a AI design tool for product photo shoots, and you can build AI product with your team in real time. This is the dashboard, guys, as you can see here. And if I get started, guys, you have most popular template and old fashioned beauty. For example, if you want to choose this beauty, just click one and you can get started from here. You can click get started, and you can guys use this template, and you can add generate your, you can use prompt here. Just add your parameter here, your surrounding, and you can add reference here. You can enable this option, color, strength, outline, and you can use this props here. Just like Canva, guys, you can search by keyword. For example, you can use this one, and you can add this thing is, guys, this flower, as you can see here. You can edit the template, you can edit anything, as you can see here. You can add this one, as you can see, option. If you can add this is for we, guys, avocado here. You can use also this all you can use, guys, to create your fashion project, your project here. After that, you can download your image from here, guys. You can save image. This is how you can do, guys, to use. I hope this video for you. Then don't forget subscribe and like and share this video for more content, and see another video soon, guys.